Yes, it is high alert, and we can see the pictures of high tide. Almost water is getting full, and it is raining heavily. You can see, yes, you can see the bridge also. We are near Kalyan Creek. Traffic is getting reduced because many citizens are advised to stay at home unless and until there is some important work. Yes, almost water is full and it can enter in Kalyan city anytime, and damage can be a big damage. Yes, it is raining since 3 days, consecutive days, and maximum millimeters rain has occurred Mumbai and surrounding cities. And rain is continued. Most important, there are helpline numbers on our behalf. We have also started helpline, that is G Academy 776 at the gmail.com's 3 days back. Citizens are requested to stay cautious but not worried. There is difference between worry and alertness.